Hello, myself Darshan Tak. My roll number is 135 and today I'm gonna show you a quick demo of OSC subjects project online question and answer guided by Professor Rudak Mehta. It's basically developed in a Django framework which follows MVT architecture, which is model, view and template, and for data storage I have used SQLite. So let's get into it. So as you can see, this is the home page of my website. So let's start with the scratch. I'm logouting and doing login again. So for login, I'm using user ID password which I have already created. So yes, after successfully login, we are redirected to the profile page. Here we can update our profile details, and we are into the profile page. So in the profile page we have our user details, uh, questions, total number of questions and total number of answer asked by this particular user, question, list of question which is asked by user, and the answer, list of answer. We can directly get into that questions also. We can directly track that. So let's go into the home page. So here is the home page. It is listed out the list of questions with a question title, a username who has posted that question, and the timing of that question. Also it is indicating the total number of likes and view on it. So we can sort this by a timing also. We can sort it by a most viewed also, and we can also sort it by a unanswered question, answer questions with a no answer. As you can see, if I open any one of the, it will show me that it has no any answer. Total number of answer, it's showing me 0. So yeah, we can sort these things. So if I want to add my own question, I can add it through here. So if I provide it a new question and adding some description and providing a tag, let's anything. So as you can see, our question get added here, new answer with a timing and user ID, post by user. And if I sort it, yeah, it will be show me on top. So once I click here, yes, we can see the detailed view of this question, and you can, as you have observed, the view count from 0 it is incremented to a 1, and total number of like is 0. If I do like, yes, it will get incremented. We can also add a comment here. As you can see, comment is added here. We can also add the reply to this comment or any comment. It is also showing us the total number of comment here. So yeah, this is all about comment section. For view count, I have used the IP address. So for a same user, if I do a refresh and refresh, it will not gonna increase the view number of count of view. So it is basically based on a IP address. So the device with a, so the new device, once the new devices come, then we can't get incremented. We can edit the question through here. So if I open to any question, it will not show me that edit button, but it will show me that edit button whenever the question is posted by me or the user who is currently logged in. So for this of these questions, we can see a list of answers. So currently I have not added any kind of answer, so it's showing me a total number of answer is 0. If I add a answer, it will add it. Yeah, as you can see, for that question our answer is get added, and we can also add it through here directly. And if I click here, we can see, look at the answer, and we can also do a vote and like same thing for a answer too, as we have done previously into the questions. Yeah, this is all about questions. We can search it here. So for searching, let me open a questions with a number of more number of answers. So as you can see here, it has a 6 answer. So if I open it, if I search a demo 1, it will search it here, and yes, As you can see, we suggest me total number of answer with that keyword, as you can see here, and we can open it and like that, do all the stuff here. So yes, this is all about questioning and answering. We can also search the question here. Let's say I search a question by keyword solve. So yes, it is showing me. So once I add a new question, it will also get added here. As you have observed, this new question is added here, and answer is also added here. Yeah, that's it. That's all about my project. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching it. Stay safe and stay tuned.